Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Robin. Today I will be making stir-fried eggplant and green beans with minced pork. These are the ingredients. Fresh eggplants have a white area on the top, like this. First, use soy sauce and Chinese cooking wine to marinate pork. Then clean the green beans. Cut off both ends and make sure they're dry. Clean and cut the eggplants into cubes and coat them with a thin layer of cornstarch. Cornstarch can prevent the eggplant from soaking up oil. Then chop the garlic and make a cooking sauce. The exact measurements are listed in the description box. I always avoid deep frying because most foods soak up a lot of oil. However, deep frying green beans does not make it greasy. The process is fast, and the green beans would be crunchy. So I first deep fried green beans. Turn on the heat and wait for the oil to reach 250 Fahrenheit. An easy way to estimate the oil temperature is to put a chopstick in the oil. When you see a lot of fine bubbles coming up, that is about 250 Fahrenheit. Deep fry all the dry green beans for 2 minutes. Put them aside for later use. Add 1 tablespoon oil in the wok and add chopped garlic and chili pepper. Stir fry for 30 seconds. Then add pork and stir fry for 1 minute. Add eggplants and stir fry for 2 minutes until golden. Then pour the sauce into the wok. Cover it with a lid and simmer for 5 minutes at medium heat. When the time's up, open the lid, add cooked green beans into the wok. Add 1 gram salt and mix everything together. This dish is juicy and tasty. Eggplant is soft. Green beans are crunchy. Everything is coated with a sauce. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.